My name is Pugh, and I'm the Chief Information Security Officer for the Intercontinental Exchange. And I run everything from cybersecurity to physical security across the organization.
Tell me about what you're doing here, all the way from Atlanta, Georgia, here in New York City on the floor of the Exchange.
Yeah, so we're here for a meeting with the National Technology Security Coalition, and it's really the purpose of the organization is to be the voice of the CISOs on Capitol Hill. And so it's really that intersection of public and private partnership. It's actually been a pretty incredible journey. Probably 5-7 years ago, the partnership wasn't that strong. But today it's as strong as it's ever been. A lot of really good work that's been going into figuring out how to do intelligence sharing, incident response across the government agencies, and also giving CISOs a chance to feed into the legislative process, as well as let the federal government understand what's important for us. So it's been a really exciting journey. NTSC has been around for about 5 years now. The main topic of the conversation today was around generative AI, or as most people are talking about today, ChatGPT. And so really the intersection of ChatGPT and cybersecurity. And so that technology is incredibly powerful. Got to understand it from a defensive perspective, but also from an offensive perspective. We want to talk about what adversaries and threat actors are doing with those large language models like ChatGPT and generative AI. So we had a really good conversation around how defense can leverage that, how offense may be leveraging it against us, and how we go further faster moving forward.
But how do you stay ahead of the curve? I mean, with technology and AI rapidly expanding as we speak, literally, how do you get ahead of that?
It's certainly a challenge. I mean, I think the first step is just really understanding the capabilities of the technology. And for businesses specifically, it's where does that technology and that risk intersect with the business. And then once you understand that risk, then you can take whatever the necessary actions are to manage that risk effectively.
Amazing. Well, thank you for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.